Ki Pulit Nongpoh kila yok kem Drok sabu kendai pen sabu gram nau Sirajul Haque lai pun ris nam kerta bakila ap ketem hadin bakila yok jeng te pati kena na ki sentian uni ubre ulawan narithor Assam dakas skuti number ML10C 4833 pat udai na Shillong Moiradia district par peta Assam ki Pulit kila Kurup ya ka mobile phone ba ka pla bo thep ya kini ki Drok la pengat ya Haque kendon a Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act kijing toket kidang ya chaprang
आपके देखो उसका पॉकेट में हाय चेक करो
चेक करो मैं एक बार
चेक करो kalau coba sih naik semua naik na like this straight from back
বিগো করে রাখার মো
দেখো তো কি আছে কিছু আছে খালি রাবার ব্যান্ড আইডি কার্ড and we have
आईडी ना ऐसा तो आईडी नहीं
इधर रखो रबर बैंड भी रखो ठीक है नाइट कॉफी है ना सो दिस इज ब्लैक
चलो करेंगे किसी अपन चिकागो का सब चलो आप मोट पकड़ो खोल के देखो खोलो 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 जगह भी बच गया हमको लेके सब जीतू देन
हां
तो भाग गया
wait now due to
it has turned into purple color.
so this exhibit A2 also turned into purple and suspected to be an heroin
Indicating positive for
indicating positive for heroin out here and then our police managed to nab the suspect person in this area which is known as Meghalaya. So you will be the witness, my dear brother. May I know your good name? Okay. Thank you. So just want to inform that. And this is the person to whom we have detained as his name Sirajul something like that. And then we have suspected contrabands out here. And we have a net out here. And there is a helmet behind now since been raining due to the situation. We have kept all the things. And there, which is concealing inside the bag the suspected. And that is, we have this is the crime scene that we have detected. And this is the accused person, the suspected. Yeah. So